Our next guest performance features a duet from two former ATS contestants. Please help me welcome two people from separate schools who are part of the All Together Sing in 2016 and are now rising stars in 2017 and were finalists in this year's competition. Here are Antonia Atkinson and Dwayne Torres Wilson. Give them a round of applause.
We got the love others are searching for, and God bless our love, and we don't have to search no more.
Listen, I'm a butterfly, yes I'm always high. When your loving makes me feel like I can touch the sky.
And I can't deny you're the one I love.
Baby, you and I are inseparable, and so we never leave, and so incredible.
And our love is unforgettable. Me and you together so compatible.
We got the love
Others are searching for, and God bless our love. We don't have to search no more. We'll be together. A black woman, you are my treasure, and I will never break your heart. Tear it apart, girl, 'cause I'll be there in all your endurance, baby.
I am your lion, and yes, you are my lioness. So militant, and yet you are so passionate. A champion, and you give me joy and happiness. I'm so in love.
We got the love others are searching for, and God bless our love, and we don't have to search no more. We got the love others are searching for, and God bless our love, and we don't have to search no more. Ooh.
Happy holidays, everyone.
And a Merry Christmas
To everyone.